Most of us do not know much about the goodness of moringa leaves when mixed with ginger treatment for hair growth. The antioxidants found in both help us to achieve healthy hair with conditioned texture. Vitamin A and vitamin C within moringa leaves works wonders to prevent any further hair fall issues as well. These marks will also help to repair any damage and have strong hair. Hi lovelies, welcome to my channel. It's Dima again and I'm back with another video. Today I'll be demonstrating how you can use fresh moringa leaves to double hair growth. I'm going to be sharing two recipes with you guys, so stay tuned. So my first ingredient of course is moringa leaves. What I'm doing here is to pluck the leaves, separating them from the stem. I have a lot of videos on this channel on moringa. Please check them out. The link will be in the description box. After plucking the leaves, I will discard the stem and thoroughly wash the moringa leaves. For this process, I will be using a handful of washed moringa leaves. Then I will keep the rest for my second recipe. My next ingredient is ginger. I will be sharing this into 2 equal halves. Use one for this recipe and the other for the second recipe. After sharing them into halves, I will grab one part and go ahead to peel and chop them into tiny bits to help my blender. My next ingredient is going to be my aloe vera juice. Please check my description box for a link on how I made this. I shared a video on how to make and store your aloe vera juice for long in the fridge or freezer. So guys, these are all the ingredients for my first recipe. You can see how I neatly prepared them. First is 1 handful of fresh moringa leaves. Second is chopped ginger, and last, my aloe vera juice. I will grab my blender and pour all the ingredients in my blender, starting with the moringa leaves. Next, my ginger, chopped ginger. I'm not going to add the aloe vera because I feel that it will disappear and I won't have a feel of it. But please, if you have enough juice, please use it to blend them. It's really great that way. I don't have enough aloe vera juice, so I have to manage mine and augment with water. I'm actually using little water to blend. Blend this to a very smooth paste and then proceed to strain. Here is my tip to you. If you don't have any strainer, here is one hack that you will definitely love. Go ahead and use your wig cap. Ensure it's new and make sure to use it for sieving purposes, maybe your DIY purposes. I have 2 in this sachet, but I'll be using just 1. Feel free to use the 2 for better results. So I'll go ahead and sieve my juice. Look how smooth this is. You can tell that my blender did a good job. This juice has some slip and would be great for detangling. I will now add my aloe vera juice after sieving. I can now add my aloe vera juice and stir to combine. Next, I will transfer to my applicator bottle for easy application. Moving on to the second recipe, get a clean pot. Transfer a handful of the remaining moringa leaves to it and grate in the remaining ginger like so. If you have been watching from the beginning, you will know that this is the second half of the ginger. So I'll go ahead and grate it into the mix like so. After grating in the ginger, add 2 to 3 cups of water to the pot, stir to combine, and then place the pot on fire. After adding the ginger and moringa leaves, proceed to boil for 5 minutes and then bring down the pot and add about 10 to 15 hibiscus flowers to the pot like so. This is about 10 to 15 moringa, 10 to 15 hibiscus flowers. Add it to the pot and then stir to combine. You can add it at the initial stage, but I prefer to do mine this way. Then proceed to boil again for extra 5 minutes, that is 10 minutes in total. Then bring down the pot, and if you notice that the color has changed to hibiscus flower color, then stir and allow to cool. So once this is cool, this is what it will look like. Proceed to sieve to get your juice. Use this juice after shampooing. Add this liquid as a final rinse, then rinse off with just water after 30 to 45 minutes and proceed to style your hair. You can just use this liquid, you can just use this as your final rinse on wash days. So moving on to the application, I will only demonstrate the first recipe. My sister will be using the second for her hair. Please note that this can really be very messy. I'm just being very careful as not to mess with my wall, my background. Use that to saturate your entire hair. Please always work in session when doing anything to your hair. So I'm going to stop talking for a bit and allow you to watch how I'm using this to saturate my hair. Then I will return and then round up this video. So guys, I'll be using the leftover to drench my hair in the bathroom. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.